face ana na ani me din e de obo for Michael we shem baby a face ana na mejo so kama ne ensemo a yebekọ so no edoso na ansa na no yebekọ incrasisem segment no yekoba na ye the Stonebwoy one God no hunsem aba betodwa na ye de abrem na ne incrasisem a me no obeka na ye se nipa bebre ho mo nam ano mo sa hwomanum no mo keka mo sa more incrasisem sa ni man mi yai emwaye so wonam na bebia na odo o samore na okika when the church animal in crasism also as will be in the only in crasism so when on kaya me kayo in crasism mummy nya called the new normal no o samore no na afua me se komo mu e be ye nsa kama ye be ne afalo nsa no ho ne ebubu ne kama ama ona bibia ye digital na sa ne man ne in crasism mummy nya na moaye we in crasism to na me de aba no itwan ho aba itwan ho koba ye de ne ensem ehye fridge ye de bebro memo akwa babio eba too much gh dwumadi a wo hwe eye kai me dwumadi na ensem ehye fridge mu na kai dwumadi ye ko ne akwa kotwe ba ne de abro esem bi wo so so ebe tomu a na ye fast ne aboabo no area kohye fridge mu chene bi no ne sa e de abro na me so dwumadi wo be so wo so asne a e too simple numbers bi egu screen ase whatsapp me o whatsapp a so obofo o program be se me so wasene me bon do rama ni po betu ogu so sese bi de wagya wo nan na wansena pobri etwa ho ahia no bibia be digital e de ama na mesro sensem bi wo ho na opese won so de ba comment section ho no fagu wo na ye ni nkomo wo ho bebre na ebeboa obi ka se na de Stonebwoy aye de Stonebwoy na yire eye Dr. Louisa wawo kama abrabo koso bibia kama hifa ne anyum tofo no pese omode nyum to no ekodru. We need to be careful. Say ama carefulness ama ekwefa so e deliver yenyum eye yenyum ni association bi e de ho bebo a I'm telling you hwe eya ye me say Stonebwoy are joining the 𝐈lluminati group. Stonebwoy Stonebwoy is now an 𝐈lluminati member. Take it or leave it for me. Stonebwoy, I don't know. One God, no. I want Stonebwoy to come out and explain. One God, no. The meaning of one God. One God. One. G-A-D. One God. Stonebwoy, I'm throwing this challenge to you. I want you to be real. We loved you. The big nation president. We love you. But I say, you people mo try na mo gather fans ni wie. Na mo benya loyal fans. You push them to the goddess. Na mo do me wura secret society. Now Stonebwoy, you are the talk of Bibia. Bibia will come here, Stonebwoy. Now Stonebwoy made the fame Stonebwoy episode 3. The name, the brand Stonebwoy to one God. One God, what is the brain behind it? Stonebwoy. There is this picture. I will show it to you. And it means somebody it looks so sickening. Disgusting. And say a picture keke. Now Stonebwoy and the wife Louisa ekodi your birthday ewo United States of America. Fantastic birthday treats by all standard. I really appreciate it. Now I me ya say you need to follow two coin no bar. They bring in different thing. What is so secret about this? Now I'm going to release a picture of one guard, Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy. Stonebwoy, sa image no. Sa image no. Image no. Etre say. Sa image no. Stonebwoy ejina ho, ojina ho. Ena ne sagu ne ho. But the shadow a portray Stonebwoy over the walls no. It portrays the beast. The beast. Our 𝐈lluminati sign biana, secret society biano. I'm telling you, Stonebwoy should come out and tell me, say, this is not officially from on the page. Now will be an editing, sir. And I'm telling you, this is so serious. This is so serious. Me who you know, I was like, Stonebwoy, what is Stonebwoy? Then I open it. Then I open it. Everything shows. Says Stonebwoy is now an 𝐈lluminati, and it's discussed. Oh, and I said these people, we give them this audience. No, omo gada na omenya loyal fans a support them. Now instead of them to give them what is relevant and what is good, no, they will now introduce these people to the 𝐈lluminati. And now this is the video. You can go video numra. No, the picture. You go picture numra. Stonebwoy looking at this picture. Stonebwoy, you want to tell us you are a goat? Stonebwoy, man, this is an 𝐈lluminati sign. It's an 𝐈lluminati sign. Stonebwoy should come out and make us say, you see, such a white. Look at the dressing. White. Say na punch it here. Stonebwoy, you know you are the goat. We know it. You know also catch it. We know it. Fans, loyal fans, be to say me above Michael. Me Beam. I just love Beam. No two ways about it. Which makes me videos in I always talk positive about Beam. But what Beam president, where you are talking people, is far beyond it. Bro, the limitation of people or the limitation of man it's not when you release tracks upon tracks. The episode we are seeing to be Stonebwoy, you've gotten it. Don't let people lead you to something that will not help you. People are saying, say only Davido, a campo muno, and send me koso. Stonebwoy. Say, say, join 𝐈lluminati, it won't help you. It won't help you. You are the goat. You are the real goat. We understand. But my ear for goat in the mouth. Don't blow your own horns because you've been blowing it too much loud. One guard come out and explain to us. Say any guard name for goat. Is that what Stonebwoy you telling us? We didn't know about for Michael. Maybe I be shame be our friend. Me face anana. Jamaica. Ni jia camera nechi. Ebo ama bibia eye de guitar. Rust eye assistant cameraman. And somehow Ghana for somehow. I'm out of here.